Remedial Repair supply brick and stone tinting and repair services to customers across the UK. Whether you require a perfect brick match for a new build or established area of brickwork, or the cosmetic correction of a manufacturer or construction mistake, we can make brickwork, stone, concrete and mortar match perfectly, just as it should do. Our customers range from homeowners who have a house extension or area of brickwork that does not match, to building contractors and building product manufacturers who have cosmetic issues on site that need correcting quickly before work on site can be completed. Whatever your issue, Remedial Repair can supply the perfect solution. We can also tint mortar and weather both natural and reconstituted stone to match perfectly. Our skilled technicians can also repair both brick and stonework to provide an as-new or weathered finish. All our work is fully guaranteed for the life of the brick or stone and is carried out by skilled remedial repair technicians. To obtain a no obligation quotation, simply call us or upload details and images of the brick or stonework that requires treating online.